Zillow to stop buying houses because they have too much inventory that they haven't flipped.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
This is exactly what we talked about in my Facebook support group for the new flip, which is I have an student that has done the same exact thing with bicycles. But I was telling him that don't feel bad because multi-million-dollar companies and big investors do the same thing because they don't understand that real estate is like a bicycle. You have two wheels. You have your front wheel, which is finding motivated seller, and then you have your back wheel, which is your exit strategy or the buyers. If both wheels are not working in harmony, then the bicycle will not move forward. And this is exactly what has happened to Zillow. They have over 7,000 homes that they haven't sold yet because they were so busy buying properties, right? They were buying properties, and they didn't realize that it takes time to fix them, time to flip them. You have to manage contractors, they're flaky, etc. And then you have to bring these properties into the market. So what was really happening is their front wheel was working. They were finding motivated sellers buying deals, but the back wheel was not working. And the side effect of that is that Zillow is now going to be cutting 25% of his workers, plus they're going to stop buying homes, guys, which is great for real estate investors like yourself and myself because we don't want to compete with mega corporations that get unlimited free money or almost free money from stocks that they raise, from central bankers because of the loose lending policy of the Fed, etc. They have access to unlimited money, and they're buying properties and paying over the price. And there are some articles here that talks about that, that they're paying too much for the properties. No duh, dude. No duh. Okay, so uh, two things or three things. One, I'm super stoked about this news because it shows us that the real estate market has major problems, and even big dogs that get free money or almost access to 0% financing are stopping to buy real estate, okay? Because A, they made a big mistake. They bought too much inventory, and now they're going to be what's called a motivated seller themselves. So they were buying from motivated sellers, and they become motivated themselves. And this is normal, guys. This is exactly what happened to me, right? I bought a lot of properties. I was tired of consumption, tired of accumulation. So I ended up becoming motivated myself, not because of financial, just because I was tired of living that lifestyle, right? So I know the cycle of the pendulum. We live in a pendulum world. If real estate goes up this way, it has to come back down this way, and now we're at the cycle of pendulum swinging, the market swinging into prices going down, massive inventory. So we got 7,000 homes that Zillow is going to be motivated on. We have over millions of people in forbearance programs. We have tons of small landlords, millions of probably small landlords that haven't received rent because of the moratorium. They're behind on payments. We have the normal foreclosures going on. We're going to have the people that just don't pay their rent. Just the normal. If there was not a pandemic, there will still be normal foreclosures. Then we have motivated sellers that have inherited homes, that have death in the family, divorce. You have all these types of sellers now going to be coming to the market, and guess what? The market is changing. The pendulum is shifting, and this is where it's going to get really good and juicy. This is where there's going to be tons of motivated sellers, and I hope you're buckled up. You have cash on the side to jump into the market. If you don't have cash on the side, then join the new flip, guys, where I work with you in a copy paste system where I teach you how to start a business with $100 and turn into thousands of dollars all through your computer without any money besides just $100. Plus, you get over the shoulder support in the Facebook group. I'm there active every day. I'll help you and make sure you win. Okay. So now we're having the biggest home buyers realizing they made a mistake because the market is shifting. They're realizing, oh shit, I got so much inventory. Oh, I can't find contractors. Oh, I paid too much on some of these properties. My algorithm software was wrong, right? And now they have to cut massive amount of workers, right? Which then leads into more people going in default into foreclosure because they can't pay their mortgages or their cars, etc. So we're getting ready for the what is it called? That little mountain to blow. Volcanoes. We're ready for the volcano to blow because we're very, 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 very close to it, guys and gals. Okay, so I'm super stoked. If you're interested in finding motivated sellers direct, then I highly recommend joining the new flip. If you're new to real estate or if you're experienced, join the new flip because flipping bicycles is so similar to finding motivated sellers. Doesn't matter if you want to be a real estate wholesaler, you want to be a fix and flipper, you want to be a landlord. They're very similar, and you'll learn important business ideas that you can implement in the real estate game. But if you want to work with me direct and find motivated sellers, I highly recommend joining my Real Estate Investing Academy, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers in your backyard for free or almost for free. Negotiate a deep discount so you win, plus have the seller become your own bank so you don't have to get a loan. You don't have to put large amount of money of your own 401 or savings because the seller will allow you to take over their payments. Now, it's not easy. It takes skills, but I give you all the tools that's required and the skills required in my academy. All right? So, guys, if you could, click the like button. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions below. And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy. Don't take no for an answer. Much love. Thank you for clicking the like button. I love you. Don't take no for an answer. Peace.